Nara, a city nestled in the Kansai region of Japan, is a treasure trove of history, culture, and natural beauty. Once serving as Japan's imperial capital during the 8th century, Nara boasts a rich heritage that continues to captivate visitors from around the world. Its origins trace back over a millennium, with the establishment of the Heijo Palace marking the height of its prominence during the Nara period, 710 to 794. This era was characterized by the flourishing of Buddhism, art, and governance, laying foundational elements for Japan's cultural identity. Walking through Nara today feels like stepping into a living museum. The city's landscape is dotted with historic temples, shrines, and statues that testify to its spiritual significance. Among these, Todaiji Temple stands out as an architectural marvel and a symbol of Nara's spiritual legacy. Completed in the 8th century, it houses the Great Buddha, a colossal bronze statue that measures over 15 meters in height, symbolizing enlightenment and the profound influence of Buddhism in Japanese society. The temple complex, with its massive wooden gates and intricate pagodas, offers a glimpse into ancient craftsmanship and religious devotion. Nara Park, sprawling over 500 hectares, is renowned for its freely roaming deer, which are considered sacred messengers of the gods in Shinto tradition. These gentle creatures have become an iconic image of the city, enchanting visitors and locals alike. Feeding and interacting with the deer provides a unique experience, emphasizing harmony between humans and nature. The park is also home to several important cultural sites, including Kasuga Taisha Shrine, famous for its hundreds of stone lanterns that create a mystical atmosphere during festivals and special occasions. The Kasuga Taisha Shrine, founded in the 8th century, exemplifies traditional Japanese shrine architecture. Its serene grounds and lantern-lit pathways evoke a sense of timeless spirituality. The shrine's many festivals, especially the Lantern Festival held annually, showcase vibrant performances and rituals that have been preserved through generations, reflecting Nara's enduring spiritual traditions. Beyond its religious sites, Nara offers a wealth of cultural experiences. The Nara National Museum houses an impressive collection of Buddhist art, sculptures, and artifacts that illustrate the city's historical role as a religious center. Exhibits range from ancient manuscripts to ornate statues, providing insights into the artistic achievements of Japan's early periods. Nearby, the Aijuan Garden presents a harmonious blend of nature and design, with meticulously maintained landscapes, ponds, and tea houses that exemplify traditional Japanese aesthetics. Nara's contribution to Japanese arts extends to its craftsmanship in traditional crafts like calligraphy, ceramics, and textiles. Workshops and studios in the city preserve these ancient techniques, allowing visitors to participate and learn about the meticulous processes behind each art form. These activities foster a deeper appreciation for Japan's cultural heritage and craftsmanship. The city's culinary scene is equally rich, offering a variety of local specialties rooted in historical traditions. Nara's mochi, rice cakes, kakenoha sushi, persimmon leaf sushi, and kakenoha sake, a type of sake aged with persimmon leaves, reflect regional flavors and historical influences. Dining in Nara often involves experiencing seasonal ingredients, prepared with techniques passed down through centuries, providing a taste of authentic Japanese cuisine. Nara's natural environment also plays a crucial role in its identity. The surrounding mountains and forests have historically provided resources and inspiration for local art and spirituality. Hiking trails and scenic spots like Mount Wakakusa offer panoramic views of the city and beyond. The mountain's grassy slopes host seasonal festivals and fireworks displays, drawing crowds eager to partake in communal celebrations. Education and preservation efforts are central to maintaining Nara's historical legacy. Various conservation projects aim to protect ancient structures, restore artworks, and promote sustainable tourism. Local universities and cultural institutions collaborate to research and showcase Nara's unique heritage, ensuring that future generations can continue to experience its timeless beauty. Modern Nara seamlessly blends tradition and innovation. Contemporary architecture and urban development coexist with ancient temples, creating a vibrant cityscape that respects its past while embracing the future. Festivals, exhibitions, and cultural events throughout the year celebrate Nara's multifaceted identity, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in its ongoing story. In essence, Nara embodies the harmonious coexistence of sacred tradition and everyday life. Its temples and shrines serve as spiritual centers, while the bustling streets, markets, and cafes reflect a lively community grounded in history yet forward-looking. The city's commitment to preserving its cultural treasures ensures that Nara remains a beacon of Japan's ancient heritage and enduring spirit. Whether exploring its historic sites, enjoying its natural beauty, or engaging with local artisans, visitors find in Nara a profound connection to Japan's soul, a city that beautifully bridges the past and the present. Nara, Japan's ancient capital from 710 to 794 CE, stands as a cornerstone in the development of Japanese culture and identity. Its historical significance is evident not only in its preserved architecture and art but also in its profound influence on religious practices, governance, and cultural traditions that continue to shape Japan today. One cannot discuss Nara without mentioning the monumental Todaiji Temple, home to the Daibutsu, or Great Buddha. Completed in the 8th century, this colossal bronze statue symbolizes Japan's artistic and spiritual achievements of that era. Its grandeur set a precedent for religious sculpture and architecture, inspiring subsequent generations. The temple complex itself became a hub for Buddhist learning, attracting scholars and monks from across Asia, thus fostering cultural exchange and the spread of Buddhist teachings throughout Japan. The city's layout reflects the influence of Chinese Tang Dynasty urban planning, exemplifying the concept of a grid pattern that symbolized order and harmony. This design not only influenced city planning in subsequent Japanese cities but also embodied the integration of Chinese bureaucratic ideals into Japanese governance, laying a foundation for centralized political authority. Such planning underscored the importance of order and spirituality in early Japanese statehood.